Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to make iPhone keyboard larger. Follow these easy steps to make your iPhone keyboard a little bit larger. So as you can see, this is my current keyboard, and now I'm going to capturing a screenshot of my current keyboard. And now to make your keyboard large, go to your iPhone settings app, and once you are in your iPhone settings, here scroll down and tap on display and brightness, and scroll down here and under display tap on display zoom, and here we can see currently default is selected. So to make your iPhone keyboard a little bit larger, you have to select larger text and just tap on done. Tap on use zoomed, and now I'm going to opening my keyboard again, and this is my current keyboard and it's bigger than before. To show you the difference, I'm going to opening the screenshot, and this was my previous keyboard size, and this is my current keyboard size. As you can see, my current keyboard a little bit bigger than the previous one. As you can see the result. So this is how we can make our iPhone keyboard a little bit bigger. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.